Okay, recording this deer who wasn't even frightened with Snowball. Now he's just looking at me. Just looking at me, and I'm looking at her. And these are these quiet moments that I talked about last week. Just on... Yeah, our dog went right by her. She woofed. The deer took a little bit of a leap and then went off, and now she's just coming towards me. Now she's walking down here, checking out our mole keeper outer, whatever we call that thing. And here she goes, just very carefully walking back into the forest. And she'll come back for the apples later.